Yes, on Google, type Java JDK. The first link you get, you click on that is oracle.com. Now you need to log into your account. If you do not have, create a new one. Now I'm going to type my username and then type in the password. We need to sign in. Yes. Now we are on the page that shows us all the JDKs for different platforms, that includes Linux, Mac OS and Windows. As we are going to install it for Windows, so I clicked on it and click download. It will ask you to choose the location you want to download. Click save. So now it's getting downloaded. Once it's downloaded, because it is an executable file, you just have to you just have to double click on it and just follow the steps it gives. It's getting installed. Yes, it's installed properly. Now, in order to check whether it is installed, you need to go to C drive, program files, Java folder, JDK folder, and inside that bin folder. Here you have to look for Java compiler with the name Java C and the Java interpreter with the name Java. Now to check which version of JDK is installed on the computer, open command window and type java-version. It is successfully installed on your computer. Thank you.